To automatically record calls with specific numbers on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap Setting. Tap Record Calls. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to Auto Record Calls until the switch run screen to turn it on. And then tap Auto Record Calls. Next, select calls with specific numbers. Tap numbers to auto record. Here you can type the number manually or select the desired one from your call history or from your contact list. As the example, we will select from the contact list. To do so, tap Contacts. And then select the desired contacts. Tap Done button. By doing this, now your phone will automatically record calls you have on phone app from those numbers that you have added to the auto record call list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.